Dónde quiero estar, and that means where do I want to be. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So this is an Instagram story chain that has been going viral, and if you want to do it too, you just have to follow the steps in this video. So first of all, I will go out of here and you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the page, and then you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. So it's this account, and from here you have to click to story trends, which is at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in a few hours. So click to story trends from highlights, and from here you just have to click until you find the desired sticker. So it's this one right here. Click on add yours, and from here you just have to go to upload and choose a photo. So let's say that I want to be here and I will choose this photo. From here you can make your sticker bigger or smaller, and then click on send to, and then click to share and to your story, and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.